Welcome back to the DB990 Restoration channel and our Christmas special of 2023. For those of you new, my name's Barry. So, I would like to start by saying a massive thank you to Stuart from Barcley Williams and Colin Stuart from Aberdeenshire, who's been helping us throughout the year supplying parts for our tractor. Links for those two guys are below in the description. Two things become very apparent from this video. One, big empty space here. No tractor. It's gone. So, yesterday, the 15th of December, we got the final drives put on. We pushed it out. We emptied the garage. We pushed the tractor out. We got the final drives put on. We got the wheels put on. Got it onto a trailer. And it's gone up to our other storage area up the road. Second thing that's obvious is I'm full of cold from last weekend, from a trip to Edinburgh to the Christmas market, and it just rained all day long. Everybody was soaked to the skin, to the point where Emily, my little granddaughter, Gemma, had to pop into the shops up in Edinburgh and buy her a full new outfit of clothes because she was soaking to the skin. Anyways, me and Deb suffering with cold, everybody else seems to have survived. So, coming up in a minute, I did do a time-lapse system with the GoPro of putting these final drives on. I used two GoPros. I got two videos out of this GoPro. I got absolutely nothing out of the other GoPro. So I've put that after this little intro, just so you can see the final drives going on. There's some still photographs that Gemma took later on when we were loaded onto the trailer and getting it away. Right, now I would also like to say a massive, massive thank you to all you guys out there who've supported the channel throughout this year. Who would ever have thought that we would have grown to 1.42 thousand subscribers? Unbelievable, isn't it? A bloke tinkering in his garage with a few bits of tractor parts, and get the support of all you guys out there. Met some amazing people along the way. Loads and loads of really good, helpful hints, tips, photographs, comments. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Absolutely brilliant. So, what we're going to do next year? Well, first job is try and get this garage tidied back up and put back in order. The idea is I want to bring all our personal stuff home, take all the tractor stuff up to the other storage, so that all the tractor stuff's in one place, all our personal stuff's in this place. That might help us get organised a little bit better when we're doing our tractor. Then in the new year, we will be clean, because I've got brand new wheels for the front of that tractor, and I've got brand new tyres. So that's why we're going to get the wheels cleaned up and painted. We're going to get the tyres put on, get those changed over. We're going to get lots of bits bolted on that are just lying about all over the place. One video we will be doing, possibly January time, will be refitting the valve chest to that hydraulic selector, putting it on the ram shaft and reassembling all of that back on the tractor, getting it fired up so we can do our group 3 adjustments on the quadrant. Right, also after our little time lapse, just for your amusement, there's a few of the cock-ups that's happened through the year. So hang about till the very end of the video, have a laugh at her, and just a very big thank you to all of you. As I always say, your time is greatly appreciated when you come visiting us, just to see what we're up to here. Now, so from me and Debs, to every one of yous out there and your families, have a lovely Christmas, even better New Year, and we'll see you in January, probably with a video of popping all that back together. But remember, don't overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. See you in January. Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get this twisted over and we'll get my shaft sorted out, eh? Shit! And I've got my punch set. Sorry about the vibration here, guys, but you're probably going to have to suffer a little bit today. Knock that down till it's firm against the clip. Yep. Wrong. Spot the deliberate mistake. The deliberate mistake was supposed to put the spacer in first. I didn't believe that camera overheated already. It's a joke, isn't it? GoPros. Your time would be wonderful. Damn mother fucking bitches. Chilly, chilly. So yes, so because you just never know when people's going to stop stocking them. And I'll take you for a walk round after and show you what we've done with this. I did bit of. Right, let's take you for a walk and we'll have a look at some spare parts that we've been getting, eh? And the chip got I don't get this open without putting them all over the floor. My golly gosh. Oh, dear me. There we go. Right, welcome back to Man from the Mist. Today we're going to salvage some of this steel which used to be the head and tail board off a bale trailer. So we're going to salvage a nice channel bar, as you can see. So we're going to salvage some of that and we're going to try and make a press, hydraulic press frame out of it that we can fit a bottle jack into and use it as a press. No, that's a load of bullshit. And then they'll get assembled and then they'll get put back on the tractor out the way off the floor. Back in a minute. There's the domestic princess in there doing, oh, look at that face. He's gonna get you right to heat that all the time. Right, welcome back to the what we're doing today, weekly yarns, isn't it? Right, welcome back to the weekly yarns. Wow, what a difference a day makes, isn't it? Anyway, my good friend Shane Bush from America, he set up his own channel, Path of Discovery, in which he's doing a DB990. He set up his own channel, Path of Discovery, in which he's doing a Davy Brown tractor up, doing bits and pieces of repairs to it. So right, well, let's have a look at what we're getting done this week then, eh? You think that's clean, don't you? Till you pop it into something like this. Right. Oh, lovely. Tell you what. Oh, cracking there, man. There you go. That needs a good wash.